Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at ISUZU US-IDSS, the official diagnostic service system for Isuzu trucks. This is the same software Isuzu dealers use, and it is available for your workshop too. US-IDSS stands for Isuzu Diagnostic Service System. It is the factory tool for the North American market. It connects your laptop to the truck and talks to every electronic module on board. Coverage includes the popular N series, like the NPR, NQR, and NRR. It also supports the larger F series trucks. Both diesel and gas engines are covered, from older models up to current trucks. The first job of any diagnostic tool is fault codes. US-IDSS reads and clears codes from every module. That means engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and body control systems, all in one place. Each code comes with a full description and freeze frame data. The software even includes guided troubleshooting steps. So instead of guessing, you follow the same procedure an Isuzu dealer technician would. Live data lets you watch the engine in real time. Fuel pressure, boost, sensor voltages and temperatures. You can graph the values and compare them against factory specifications to spot problems fast. For modern diesel trucks, the aftertreatment system is critical. US-IDSS runs forced DPF regeneration directly from your laptop. You can check soot levels, test sensors, and keep the emissions system healthy. Replacing injectors. The software programs new injector codes into the ECM. It also handles learning functions and adaptation resets. These are jobs that normally force a trip to the dealer. There is a full menu of special functions. Run cylinder balance tests to find a weak cylinder. Command actuators directly to verify components. You can even adjust idle speed and vehicle speed settings. For hardware, US-IDSS works with common J2534 adapters like the Nexic USB Link 2 and DPA5. Any decent Windows 10 or 11 laptop will run it. No expensive dealer-only interface required. The interface is simple and clean. Select the truck model, connect, and you are reading data within a minute. Even technicians new to Isuzu trucks find their way around quickly. In daily use, this software changes how your shop works. Isuzu trucks no longer wait for a dealer appointment. You diagnose and repair in-house, which means faster turnaround and more revenue. A few quick tips. Always keep the truck battery on a stable power supply during ECM work. Save existing data before making changes. And run the current software version for the newest truck coverage. So that is Isuzu US-IDSS, the complete diagnostic solution for Isuzu trucks. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more diesel software guides, and see you in the next video.